Hey guys, this is PB Brian Play here, and in this video we're gonna solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now you've got the cube scrambled, and so now the first step what we have to do to solve the cube is to solve the white and yellow centers. So if you know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, it's quite similar in the 4x4, but if you don't know, there's no problem, you can continue like that. So what you have to do is you're gonna pair up all the white pieces, the center ones. So this is one white piece and the other one is there. So we can just take it onto this side, match it, and take it. So if we finish the white center, and now to go the yellow side. So we've got one piece here and one here. So I'm just gonna put it in line. We're gonna match that. We're gonna take it up, but this is getting messed up. So you take it the other side and take it down again. So you've got one line here. So the other piece is here with the other piece there. So I'm just gonna pair them up like that, and now you have to keep them so that they're aligned in a straight line, and then you have to take it up like this, make a U2, and that's there now, and when you take it down, the yellow center is done with the white center which is not damaged. So the next step in solving the cube is to solve the rest of the centers. So if you don't know, in a 3x3 cube, the first center is blue, orange, green, and red. So that's the standard sequence, and that should be followed in the 4x4 too. So first you're gonna match these same, and we've got that match already. We're gonna pair that up. So we've got the first center solved. Second one is orange, BOGR, so O is orange. So we just gonna solve this, but that's getting messed up, so we'll take that up and solve that. So we've got that, and now we've got this. So we're just gonna keep that these both are in the same line. We're gonna put like that, take that down, and again pair them. So now both of them are intact with no damage to any other pieces. So we've got B, O, and now with G. G is right here, green, and so now to solve this, I'm just gonna take it right there, and I'm gonna take it up and back there. So now we've got it in this variation. None of them are damaged. So I just want to pair these two. So I'm just going to take this, take that up, and move it back. So now we've got in the same variation. Now we can just take it there, do an F2, take it back. So we've got all the centers solved with nothing else harmed. So the next step in solving the 4x4 is edge pairing. So you have to pair all the edges together on this cube. So I'll just show you an example. For example, we've got this white and green piece with this white and green. So if I just take it like that, now they both are easy to put, but if I do like that, then the other centers will be damaged. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first match these up. I'm gonna then take it up. I'm gonna replace it with any other pair which is not like paired together. Take it down in that same place and take it back. So now I've got this pair which is now paired up, and now I use it in place of this one. So we have to keep doing on like that. So we've got this blue piece with this other one, so we're just gonna match them. We're gonna take it up, we're gonna replace it on another piece, another pair, and take it back. So we finished 2, and that's how you do the rest of the ones. So now when you get such a case where both the pieces which are same and they both are in the same place and you can't actually do anything to them, you're going to use this algorithm: R U R prime F R prime F prime R. So when you do that, this pair has now come down, and now you can just simply pair them up. So I'm just gonna pair them up. So now when you come down to the last pairs and you have nothing else to put in place of it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these pairs and you're gonna take it to the other side, and you're gonna perform the same algorithm which I just told: R U R prime F R prime F prime R. So now we've got them paired again, and so we've got all the pieces paired. So the next steps are pretty much, or I could just say just like a 3x3. So you're just gonna build up the cross as usual, and then you're gonna pair it up. I'm just using F12. If you don't, no problem, you can just do it if you're in your beginner method style, or you can just search for a 3x3 tutorial. So we've just solved the 2 layers and the cross, obviously. So in 4x4 there is OLL parity, which means that you are not most likely gonna get a 3x3 OLL case. So this time I got lucky to get a 3x3 OLL case, but you won't be lucky because there could be some cases like this. So a majority of times you could get such a case which is not there in 3x3 OLLs at all. So this OLL parity, so you can see that these pieces are flipped, and so we have to just flip them back into place. So this piece should have been here. So to do that, I'm going to keep it in front of us, and we're going to do this algorithm. When you do that, the piece gets flipped up, and now this is a it is a 3x3 case which you can simply solve, and you can get into OLL, and then you're gonna get a PLLT parity as well. So in this case I again got lucky, but you could get PLL parities too. Take a look at this case. So when I'm trying to solve PLL parity, you can see that it gives such a case which has never been seen. So you can solve such a thing, so you're gonna do a PLL parity algorithm, and it goes like this. When you do that, you're going to get a case which is obviously a part of a 3x3. Yes! So at last we have solved the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So if you learned something, and if you like this video, just click right there and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, PB Prime Play, and thanks for watching.